Stop the presses. XF chair Dali Mpofu joins exodus to MK party. Dali Mpofu, a prominent figure in South African politics, has left the Economic Freedom Fighters, or EFF, to join former President Jacob Zuma's party, uMkhonto weSizwe, known as MK. This shift comes as the EFF faces declining support, dropping to the fourth largest party in recent elections. Political analyst Sandile Swana suggests that Mpofu's move could be driven by political ambition, as MK is currently larger. The EFF has also seen other key members leave, including Malema's deputy, Floyd Shivambu. These departures highlight internal challenges within the EFF. Despite these setbacks, Julius Malema, leader of the EFF, remains optimistic and calls for unity within the party. The big question now is, how will the EFF navigate these challenges, and what impact will Mpofu's departure have on its future? Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.